This is slide number 32. Here we discuss about the time signatures. What does the time signature stands for? The upper number says how many beats within the bar. The bottom one says what kind of note family that we use. So the note family at the bottom, 2 stands for minim, and 2 on the top says 2 minims in each bar. So 2 minim beats in a bar. So the following descriptions will be showing you into 1 crotchet. 1 crotchet is equal to 1 minim, 1 crotchet, another minim. So total 2 minim. So in that case, the crotchets becomes end points. 1 and is 1 beat. 2 and. So if you want the and, it will be a crotchet note. See, here you can see 1 minim for 1 beat. And 2 is a crotchet and is a crotchet. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. This one 1 and 2 and. Suppose if you want to play that, how you will play? Suppose you take any note. So let's say take the E note, whatever be the note in the right hand. So following the example at the bottom, how the notes possibility of performance of the 2x2 system, basic fundamentals. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So now you heard how the notes are sounding. So 1 and 2 and. So they are all crotchet notes. Suppose only 1 minim, it will be 1 and see the note is longer. So 1 and 2 and is the bar number 2. Next bar number 3, 1 and 2 and. The last bar clearly use a semi-brief for 2 beats because 1 minim is equal to 2. So 4 means 1 semi-brief has to be there in the bar number 1 in the last bar. So E and 2 and 1 and 2 and. This is how we understand 2x2. Mostly these 2x2 songs is arranged for slow songs and to accommodate more notes and more expressive form of music. Hope you understand the application of 2x2 in a song, which is very less in our Indian music, but mostly you'll find in the classical music.